New details about a lawsuit against San Diego Unified, their superintendent, and the district's chief of police. At least 9 officers are accusing the district of corruption and retaliation.
Today, the officers are revealing some new allegations. CBS 8's Chris Crow joining us now with the latest on this lawsuit. Chris?
Yeah, so since we last heard from John Gomez, the lead attorney that is representing these plaintiffs, there were about 9 officers. Now that's gone up to nearly a dozen. And the other thing that we've also learned, this lawsuit has officially been filed, and in it there is now an allegation of sexual assault.
The assault occurred in 2014 at an off-site work training. According to the officers, the female officer's allegation, Contreras was her sergeant at the time. The assault has now been reported to Human Resources, but the officer involved still reports directly to Contreras' girlfriend, Sergeant Gruner. Hey, good morning.
And that allegation outlined in this lawsuit, which again, that would be Chief Contreras, again being accused of that sexual assault. He was then a sergeant when this allegedly took place. Now, as for the other development that was announced today, this group claiming that there has been an increasing amount of workplace hostility since that lawsuit was first spoken about back in August. In fact, they went on to detail a claim that a captain on the alleged, what they call the squad, a group that supports Chief Contreras, that person actively ignored a radio call for immediate help by San Diego Unified officers at a football game. Nearly a dozen officers, as we said, 11 of them, are suing the district and the chief over those allegations, as well as claims of corruption, favoritism, and retaliation. Bulk of this originates from the romantic relationship between the chief and Sergeant Jennifer Gruner. Those suing claim that Chief Contreras favored Sergeant Gruner in a number of instances. And in fact, Gomez claimed that they have pictures that show Gruner and Contreras at an out-of-state football game while they were on the clock. According to the plaintiffs, if you didn't support the relationship, there was retaliation from the so-called club. Now, they are demanding a number of things from this lawsuit. That includes that Contreras and Gruner be placed on administrative leave, that an investigation into their relationship and these allegations take place, and that an interim chief should be installed to try to restore some sense of normalcy and morale. They also want these officers that are named in this lawsuit to be fairly compensated. We are going to be putting that lawsuit up on our website at cbs8.com. But for now, we're going to send things back to you in studio.